Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is exponential distribution. In this topic we are going to study raw moments of exponential distribution. So let us start with raw moments about origin. Raw moments about origin. The definition is if x follow exponential theta, exponential distribution with parameter theta, then the raw moments about origin of exponential distribution is defined as mu r dash is equal to expectation of x raised to r. We know that the raw moments are denoted by mu r dash, the earth raw moment about origin, and it is calculated as, we will calculate the earth raw moment about origin. Mu r dash equal to expected value of x raised to r, and which is calculated as integration minus infinity to infinity x raised to r fx dx. Here the random variable x is a continuous exponential distribution and having a range from 0 to infinity, so it is integration 0 to infinity x raised to r into theta e raised to minus theta x dx. As the parameter theta is constant, take it outside the integration sign. Theta integration 0 to infinity x raised to r e raised to minus theta x dx. We will evaluate this integration by comparing it with the gamma integration, as we have learned in the earlier lecture, mean and variance of exponential distribution. What is that integration? It is integration 0 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus ax dx is gamma n divided by a raised to n. This is the gamma integral with gamma n is n minus 1 factorial. So after comparing we get gamma n is here, by comparing n minus 1 equal to r, therefore n equal to r plus 1 and a equal to theta. Mu r dash equal to theta into gamma r plus 1 divided by theta raised to r plus 1. Here one theta get cancelled. We get mu r dash, the earth raw moment about origin, as gamma r plus 1 divided by theta raised to r, and this gamma r plus 1 can be simplified as r plus 1 minus 1 factorial. So it is r factorial divided by theta raised to r. This is the earth raw moment about origin of a exponential distribution, where r may be 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the general form of earth raw moment about origin. To obtain the first 4 raw moments about origin, we will put the values of r as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then after simplifying we get the first raw moments about origin. So let us start to simplify the raw moments. First put r equal to 1 to get the first raw moment. We get mu1 dash equal to 1 factorial divided by theta raised to 1. Therefore mu1 dash equal to 1 by theta. This is the first raw moment, and which is same as expectation of x, that is mean of random variable x, mean of exponential distribution 1 upon theta. To obtain the second raw moment, put r equal to 2. We get mu2 dash is equal to mu2 dash is equal to 2 factorial divided by theta square, and it is 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Therefore mu2 dash equal to 2 divided by theta square. This is the second raw moment about origin. Next put r equal to 3. We get mu3 dash is equal to 3 factorial divided by theta cube. This 3 factorial is 6 divided by theta cube. This is the third raw moment of exponential distribution about origin. To get the fourth raw moment, substitute r equal to 4 in the nth raw moment mu r dash. Hence we get mu4 dash is equal to 4 factorial divided by theta raised to 4, and we know that 4 factorial is nothing but 24 divided by theta raised to 4. This is the fourth raw moment about origin of a exponential distribution. In this way, in this lecture we have learned what is raw moment and how they are calculated in the case of exponential distribution. If a student want to learn the concepts of exponential distribution like definition, CDF, mean and variance of continuous exponential distribution, and MGF of exponential distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also given in the description box. Further, student may refer the another chapters from statistics like measures of central tendency, basic terms of statistics, and some mathematical concepts also are available on Learn Statistics channel. If student want to learn all the lectures, the link of all lectures are given in the description box, and the link is also given in the I button at the top right corner of the screen. In this way, we will stop here and we will meet with the new concept in exponential distribution in the next lecture. If a student like this lecture, click on the like button and subscribe to the Learn Statistics channel to learn the upcoming statistical concept, and share this channel with other students to help them to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. We will meet soon with a new topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.